Good morning.
Good morning. How can I assist you?
I would like to get some information about bank accounts.
Would you like to know what kind of documents are needed to open a bank account? For example, your original identification card with one photocopy and your job information?
I already have these documents and I would like to open a bank account.
What kind of account would you like to open?
Could you please tell me a little bit about bank accounts?
Sure, there are two kinds of accounts, savings accounts and checking accounts.
What is the difference between a savings account and a checking account?
A checking account is a basic account. For example, if you open a checking account, you can purchase things online as well as paying bills and buying groceries.
Okay, so you provide a debit card and a checkbook.
Yes, that's correct. Would you like to know about a savings account?
Savings account is for saving money and earning interest.
That's right, but there's a limit of 6 transactions per month on a savings account. With a checking account, however, you can make daily transactions.
A checking account is good for me. I love buying things online.
Understood. So, would you like to open a checking account?
Yes, please.
Please fill out this application form. You need to deposit a minimum of $50.
Okay, I will deposit $100.
I will set up your account right now.
Thank you so much.
You are all set. Here is your checkbook and your debit card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.